Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's going on? So, while we waiting for the rest of the B16 video to be put together and be made, we're gonna do a little valve cleaning, and I'm gonna show you guys how I got these like this. I used 800 wet sandpaper and steel wool, and it's also I also used aluminum polish or whatever I could get at the time, some type of polish. So other than that, let's get the video started. Let me show you guys what I did. So this is the ending result of wet sanding. So like I said, you can wet sand 800 and go up in grids of sandpaper, which I didn't. I didn't take that route. So all I used was some 800 wet sandpaper. After the 800. I used some polish. That's it. Oh, also don't forget the steel wool. In the beginning, before I do anything else, I use steel wool with the valve and the drill. Put the valve in the drill. Steel wool it. After you steel wool it, go ahead and wet sand it. After wet sanding, give it a nice quick dry with a spin of the drill, and you know what I'm saying, spin it with the compound to shine it up, give it a little shine afterwards. So like I said, man, this is the ending result, man. Other than that, man, let me get out of here. It's Leon. Please comment, subscribe, Hit that bell notification. Hit that bell notification for sure. Like I said, man, hit that bell notification so that way you can catch the next videos coming soon. Definitely the B6 cylinder head, B16 cylinder head. Yeah, hit that bell notification so you can see the outcome, the results of how I cleaned this and how I got it to where it is now. And for any other future videos that may be coming soon. I'm trying to push these things out every week, so please hit that bell notification and comment, subscribe.